after our next stop, kimchi school. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay. So everyone, from now on, please just give it up. And 1, 2, 3, cheers. Cheers. This is tasty. You can try it. And it's really healthy. If you like it, you can finish it off. So now I'm going to teach you how to make our cabbage kimchi. So first of all, we will buy a fresh cabbage in the market. Usually it is big, so we will cut it into 4 pieces. Then we'll prepare some salt. We put the salt onto every slip of cabbage and prepare a big bowl of water with 70% water and 30% salt inside. Then we put the cabbage onto the water. In winter, we have to put it inside for 10 hours and summer only 5 hours. So after that time, we take the cabbage out, then we wash every slip of plain water, clean out all the salt, and we'll dry it upside down like this. Dry it for 2 more hours. And after these 2 hours, then we become the cabbage in front of you, ready salt. Okay? So while we prepare the cabbage, we have to prepare that wet sauce too. So we have the radish, and the radish is really big, and we have to cut it into tiny small pieces. Then we put inside the chili powder. So we call our chili powder as sun chili, because we only dried it under the sun, not the machine. Then we take out all the seeds, no seed inside, so it is not too spicy. Then we'll put inside some ginger, garlic, salt, and sugar. But nowadays, we don't put inside any more sugar. We put inside some apple juice or pear juice instead of sugar, more healthier and more tasty. Then we have this one. It is the most important one. Do you know what is this, everyone? Vinegar? No. Anymore? This is the fish sauce. But this. Okay? So, yeah, there's the fish sauce in Thailand, Malaysia, also Vietnam. It is the Korean style fish sauce we use for kimchi. So you can see here we have a kimchi logo over here, especially for kimchi. And also we put inside some green onion and onion to make it more tasty. After we mix it all together, we still have to wait for 2 more hours because the radish will come out some water. So after that 2 hours, then it will become the red sauce in front of you. And now of course we have prepared the white sauce and the cabbage for you. And I'm going to teach you how to smear it. So first, I'll hold this up, then we choose the outside lid. Usually the outside lid is the biggest one, but it is more, it is too thin, so we have to choose the second one. So a third one, so we just combine together and put this lid on the plate. Then the other hand, put all together. And we have to smear. Smear all the salt onto every slip of cabbage, one by one, slip by slip. So after this step, the kimchi is ready to eat. But in Korea, usually we wait for 1 week more. So after this step, we'll put the kimchi into the kimchi refrigerator for 1 week more. And you just remember, we just put it inside the fish sauce to make the kimchi sauce. And the fish sauce can terminate the fermentation of kimchi. When the fermentation process, a lot of bacteria will come out. It is good for your digestive system. That's why we wait for 1 week more. And when the fermentation process, the kimchi will become more sour and sour, not more spicy. So remember, all the sour taste of kimchi is because of the fermentation, not from the vinegar. So never put inside any vinegar to make kimchi. And for the seafood kimchi, we have the squid and the octopus. So all the seafood kimchi, we can only keep it for 6 months. And for the vegetable kimchi, there's no any expiry date for that. We can keep this for more than 1 or 2 or 3 years, doesn't matter. But we must keep it into 0 to 4 degrees. That we just put into the refrigerator and we can keep it for a really long time. Okay, so my one is almost finished. And then we have to hold it on once again. Take a look at the outside, let's look at it. Turn it back and put on some color. Then hold it all up. We choose the outside lid, the one you have choose before. Then place your hand as an L. Put in the middle and hold it. The outside lid lives in the back, then one inside. We fold the inside one or into a half. No matter how long it is, just a half. Then press out some air for air inside. Then we use our outside lid to grab it from the side. And if there's any salt left on the plate, just release it. Just put it all on the top. Finish. Okay? So after you finish it, of course you can have a photo with it. Then I'll teach you how to make it with that. But the easy mix it, you will to make the shirt and the algorithm to make it delicious. And I'm going to teach you the more things how to get up. One pepper, one sweet, first like one together. The other hand, put all together.
It will fold in like this.